Ready?
Recording.
And have this loaded.
Woo!
How many shots did we get off?
That's a gun. Yeah. I feel it back here behind you.
Yeah. I was a little high with my 5.7.
Yeah.
And this was 7.62.
Yeah. Yeah, you were high on your first. This is your first round of pistol
I was trying to get through
-1.
this is what I was trying to do.
So that's pistol first go, and one of those was second go. The rest of them should be in here.
Yeah, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah,
so yeah, one of those mags, and then all of the rest of it was in there.
That's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was obviously my second.
I was watching the dirt fly in the